Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna biryani. First, let's prepare the rice. Begin by washing 2 cups of basmati rice until the water runs clear. Soaking the rice for 30 minutes helps achieve a perfect texture. Then, cook the rice until it's about 70% done, ensuring each grain remains separate. This partial cooking is crucial for the biryani's final layering. Next, we'll create the flavorful tuna masala. Start by sautéing 1 large onion until it's beautifully golden brown. Then, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, cooking for about 1 minute until aromatic. Now, gently fold in 1 can of drained tuna along with your chosen biryani spices. Cook this mixture for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. Now comes the exciting part, layering your biryani for maximum flavor. First, grease a heavy-bottomed pot with 1 tablespoon of ghee. Spread 1/3 of your partially cooked rice evenly at the bottom. Next, add half of the delicious tuna masala mixture over the rice. Repeat these layers, ensuring you finish with a final layer of rice on top. This layering technique infuses every bite. Finally, it's time for the dum cooking, which locks in all the aromas. Seal your pot tightly, perhaps with dough or foil, and cook on very low heat for 20 minutes. After cooking, let the biryani rest for 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to settle. Gently mix before serving, ensuring you scoop from the bottom. Garnish with fresh cilantro and fried onions for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.